Chapter 1 Chapter 1 The Little Plant. Learning Objectives. 1. Seeds grow into plants. 2. Nature is beautiful. In the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep, a dear little plant lay fast asleep. "Wake up," said the sunshine, "and creep to the light." "Wake up," said the voice of the raindrops bright. The little plant heard, and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. Find meaning. Buried, hidden in the ground. Lay fast asleep, slept in peace. Rose, here came our. Wonderful, lovely. Creep, here to come out of the soil. Exercises. Creative expression. Tell your story. You go to the park to play with your friends. There are many trees and plants. What do you feel when you see a plant or a tree? Share your feelings with your classmates. Cross-curricular connect. Learning by doing. Join the dots, color the picture. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. A. How does a seed grow into a plant? Answer. With the help of soil, sunshine and water. B. What does the sunshine say to the seed? Answer. Wake up. C. What does the voice of raindrops say? Answer. Wake up. Complete the following stanza. A. The little plant heard, and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. B. The little plant heard, and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. Let's enjoy the poem. Read the poem and make a rhyme using 5 new words. Find their meanings. A. Heart. Body part that pumps blood. B. Deep. To a great depth. C. Bright. Shining. D. Heard. To listen. Tick the right options. A. What is buried deep? 1. Seed. 2. Plastic bag. Seed. B. Who says the plant to creep to light? 1. Cloud. 2. Sunshine. Sunshine. Match the following. Picture of sun. Picture of cloud. Picture of rain. Picture of sun to sun. Picture of cloud to cloud. Picture of rain to rain. Communication. Writing skills. Complete these sentences about a friend. Use words from the box. A. I have a friend. B. His name is Amar. C. He has curly hair. D. We go to school together. E. We play under the mango tree. F. I like my friend. Reading skills. Read the riddle given and solve it. Let's see how smart you are. What is the first thing a gardener plants in the garden?